All right, we're at Rocky Mountain National Park. We're going up to Emerald Lake, which is up this way. It's 1.8 miles. It's Seth and David. It's all uphill. It's gonna be great. We just got done with Bear Lake. I'm gonna post a photo here at the next scene, so enjoy it. All right, we just got started. We're up at like some god-awful altitude. There's no oxygen up here. It's all uphill. We're pretty sure we're gonna die. All right, we're here at Nymph Lake. I'm just snapping a photo. All right, we got the photo. Now we're heading on up the trail. There's a group ahead of us now. Seth says there's no rest for the weary. All right, we're still climbing. People have been passing us going back down. We got about 20 minutes or so to sunset. Thankfully, we have charged phones for lights.
We haven't died yet.
And we haven't died yet. And there's little kids doing this. So there we have hope. All right, we're up here at Dream Lake. Found it. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Somebody taking a picture here. Or just reflecting, so it'll be quieter. All right, that was absolutely stunning there at Dream Lake. I could daydream there all day, but since we work for a living, we're moving on quickly, headed up to Emerald Lake. That green back there, or that green that you see in this lake, like, it's just reflecting all the trees around it and the depth. I don't know if I've seen anything like it before. Like, you got Crater Lake with that stunning blue, and you've got other gorgeous things in the Pacific Northwest. And in fact, the Columbia has a unique bit of green to it, but that's a special green. You got to experience it. It's gotta be right there. Where'd the trail go though? Seriously.
Oh yeah, sure.
There it is. We're getting close. I think we're about 3/10 of a mile. All right, made it. Seth's over here enjoying the view. I'm right here. This is my setup. I didn't bring a tripod, but I got a rock. And I brought the wrong lens. I really screwed up. Whatever. I'll come back. It'll be great. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the picture here in a minute.